Okay, this is what I've got in mind. I've got to cut out just a small little sheetrock hole, and then I've got just a long little wire, put a little bend in it. Now let's just say this cable is the wire that I pushed down in there. Now I'm going to take this one, I'm going to put it through the hole, and I'm going to move it around and gently probe for it and feel for it. Once I get it on the side like that, I can twist that, and hey, I've got it. I can pull this up like that, and then I can pull it out of the hole. Now what I could do too is curl an end on the other wire. Okay, when I shove it through the hole, before I shove it through the hole, let's see if I can show you this properly. Okay, I can make a loop in my wire that I'm going to shove down the wall. I've got a loop here. Okay, this is dangling in the stud bay, and I keep feeling for it and feeling for it. And oh, hey, I got it. I pull that down. It slips just like that, and then I can pull it that way, just like that, and I can pull it right through the hole, can't I? Okay, in fact, I could maybe bend this just a hair tighter with my pliers, because however big that loop is, you see, I can bend that a little bit tighter. Okay, keep the end about like that. Then that's how big of a hole I need to make through the sheetrock. And how am I going to do that? I'm just going to do that with my trusty sheetrock saw. I'll poke a little hole, and I'm just going to twizzle it like that, just a little bit. And I only have to go in yay far, and just keep going like that, and it's going to make a perfect hole. Okay, if I need a little bit more, push it in a little bit more. And then after I pull the wire out, I can put some caulking around the excess. That's my plan, and I think it's going to work. And see, I'm going to run that hole. I'm going to put that hole up kind of to the left of the telephone jack, and I can have it kind of up there, and then it can come out and squiggly down however I need it. Okay, that's what I'm going to do. I know, I'm pretty sure it's going to work. What do you think, boss man?
Oh yeah.
Mr. Inspector, do you think that's going to work?
I think so.
I think it's going to work. Okay? I wanted the hole as small as possible, so I trimmed out and spliced off some more of that black outside sheathing, and then I made the hook. Now that makes it that much smaller. Okay? Alright, let's do it. You see, there's my hole right there. That's it. I just cleaned it out a little bit, and I'm going to push that in there, and hopefully I'll be able to find the wire and pull it through. I'm going to try that. Time to go fishing.